Let's talk about something that's going to be very useful for you at some point, and you may have come across this. I'm pretty confident you've come across this, that you've entered the website address, and one of two things happen when you go to the website. One is there's a coming soon page. It says, yes, we'll be here, something big is going to happen coming soon. Or you may go to a website and it will say website under maintenance, or it says maintenance mode, something like that, saying that they are doing some upgrades to let you know that the site is being reworked and you just need to be a little bit patient. And often there will be a countdown timer actually telling you when the site will be back. Those two practices are actually very good practices. The first one is a coming soon page, and in Brizy Cloud we put this under what is called system pages. To get to the system, just think of that big word I mentioned to you earlier, content management system, the CMS. And those are the three little stripes up here, the hamburger menu, CMS. Click on that, and then we go to project settings. Project is your entire website, and your system pages will relate to your entire site. Up here from the tabs, you will see system pages is the third icon from the left, and select that. There are a number of pages here. The ones that you're mostly going to be working with, especially at the very, very beginning, are these three: coming soon, maintenance, page not found. And in many cases, you may never work with them, and we'll look at them in more detail in video document tutorials. But the two I want to highlight here, because you're probably going to be using this one at the beginning, is coming soon and maintenance. They play slightly different role. A coming soon page should only display when you really are bringing in a new website. You have created something brand new and it's going to roll out in the future, and then you activate it over here. If you already have a website which people are already engaging with, then when you do maintenance or upgrades, you select this one. This shouldn't blow you away how it's going to work. Let's activate the coming soon page. And what I'll do, I don't see anywhere I should save this, so I hope it's being saved. Let's click here and let's click back just to see. Yes, it is activated. What I will do, because I'm not sure if I should save it, I'll click outside and just hit update, Control Command S. If you go and preview this page or this website now by clicking here on the preview button, and it opens a new tab, you're not going to see the coming soon page, because you want visitors to see the coming soon page, but while you are working inside your website and making updates, you still want to see those in the previews so that you know whether they look good or not. So what you need to do is copy the URL, the website address. I'll select it up here, Control Command C. And in your browser, you go all the way to the right, and every browser has this feature, whether it is Firefox, Mozilla, Safari, Chrome, or Edge. It will say new in private window or something like incognito. This opens a new window, locked out, no cookies whatsoever. So we select this, and it's usually in a dark theme. Paste that site and we enter, and it's going to load for us the coming soon page. And then we have this. There is an upgrade element over here. Our site is still in the works, but it's coming soon, plus that countdown, the one I said to you that is often used. Absolutely not what we want, right? So what we do is go back. Let me select my tab again. We go back to our builder. We can close the preview. Go to our CMS dashboard and then select project settings. Select also system pages. And you will notice next to coming soon, there is the edit page icon. You're going to edit this page exactly like you would edit any other page in Brizy. If this one is locked because it is Pro, I'll delete it. And what I will do is maybe just bring in an image over here. So I'll right click on it and then select delete. And then select the middle. And what we bring in here is an image. You will see that this builder looks slightly different to the standard builder. And this is because it's a specific builder designed just for these maintenance pages. But essentially how it works is exactly the same. This format is very similar to the pop-up function within Brizy Cloud, and we'll cover that in far more detail. I'll leave that, and then let's work a little bit with this one, which is the countdown element. You remember how to interact with any element. Just simply click on it and you have all your normal styling options, your settings, and we go all the way to the left where the countdown functions are. You can see you have a few options here. You have styles, you can have it with the labels to the right, or you can just have the time. I think let's put it on the standard, and then you are going to select the date on which your site will go live. So I select here, unfortunately not a calendar picker. I really prefer a calendar picker because now the first thing you need to figure out, is this 12 December or is it 12 days of September? Let's see. I'm going to just type in there 2022 and then we will know. Okay, so it is 12 of the 9th. So it seems to be December. Let me see. Today is the 28th. Let's see if we can type in 28 at the beginning. 28. Okay, so it's September. So this is days, months, year. That is the date format that we have here. I like it like that. It's incrementally higher, but if you come from the American system of writing dates, just be aware of that. So let's say I want to launch our site a week from now, which will be the 6th. It will be in June. So this one we will put on 6, and a week from now will be, let's say, the 3rd. I'm guessing. So 6 days, 15 hours and 42 minutes. You can even put here the hour. So if I want to launch it in the morning at 6 a.m., there you go. So it will launch in 6 days, 11 hours and 11 minutes. And you can also change the time zone. I'm over in South Africa, so we are +2 UTC or GMT, depends on how you see the world. Similar with Athens and Istanbul. And then it will draw the time for my site and it will display it properly for people who are in other time zones. And that's how you work with the countdown element. Really useful for these maintenance pages and coming soon pages. Let's update it, and a lot we can do here. You can change the color theme again, the styling. I didn't bring in an image. Shall we do that quickly? Image, upload an image. Let me drop our little friend Mr. Pikachu in there. And save our work, update. Now if I go back to the incognito window we had opened earlier in our browser and I refresh the page, Control-Command-R, it will load the page again and we should see the updates for that. There we go. And that is how you work with the system pages. The maintenance page is exactly the same. So select again your CMS thumbnail. We go to project settings and then select system pages here. And then the maintenance page, same thing, it has your edit page function over here. Important, these two you should not activate at the same time. They are exclusive and they like to go only one by one, not together. So if you've got a coming soon page, you do not have a maintenance page. And if you have a maintenance page, make sure that the coming soon page is deactivated.